Hey guys, so I have good news. I got my car back. Before the review starts, we decided to go out and eat because I haven't eaten lunch, and Lucky treated me to some Satti. You can't find it anywhere else, just in Zamboanga. This is Satti. We have the Satti sauce, chicken, rice. It was good. Look, it's so spicy. My nose is running. I'm running out of tissue. Lucky as well. I have good news. I got my car back. The car looks amazing. Now I'm off to the review. I'm still late. I think I got to spot the review center is just right there. I parked right in front of them. Ikaw lang. Our review's done and we're the only ones left.
Ako na naman. Where are you recording?
Lucky's here and mom. Hey guys, me and Lucky after the review we went to eat. Cue the montage. I'm in my room and the power went out again. I have nothing else to say. Actually, I'm just gonna wait here till the power comes back on.
Swerve, 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 swerve.
Mamaya man zooming ko, can't you see these fucking people here?